Hello guys, and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove moving objects from video in Premiere Pro. Please note that this will only work where the camera is stationary and there is a moving object in the frame. The first step is to duplicate your clip. So I'm going to select this clip over here, hold down Alt and drag it one step higher to duplicate it. And the next step is to disable the bottom clip. I'm going to do that by selecting this eye icon over here. Now click and highlight the top layer and go over to the effects control and select the ellipse mask over here. Now click and drag the mask over and onto your subject and adjust the mask as needed to fit your object. Now make sure that your playhead is at the start of your clip over here and move over to your effects control and toggle on the mask part and set your mask feather to 50. Now select mask once more over here. Now move your playhead timer ahead, ensuring your subject always stays within the mask. And in your preview window, click and drag the mask to the direction your subject is moving to. So I'm going to select this to move my playhead further in time, and I'm going to keep on moving the mask with my subject. Alternatively, you can hit Shift plus the forward arrow to move 5 frames ahead. I'm going to fast forward this now. Now once you are done, come back to Effects Control and under Mask select Inverted over here. And if you scroll back now, you can see this black part here. Don't worry, the black part is transparent. All you need to do is to enable the bottom layer over here and move ahead a few frames. I like to go to somewhere in the center and select the bottom clip over here and hit Ctrl K to cut it. Now move the end part to the start of the clip and move the first part to the end of the clip. And if we hit play now, you can see what we have created over here.